Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python course. I hope you are doing well. In the previous lesson, we learned about strings. We create string, combine them, and access it character using indexes. Today we are going to learn about string methods. String methods are built-in functions that help us modify and analyze text. They make our code cleaner, faster, and easier to read. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to change text search forwards replies characters and perform other common strings operation. String methods are special functions that work with string values. Some of the most commonly used string methods are upper, lower, title, strip, replace, and find. This method do not change the original string unless you save the result in a variable. They are available either in web application logic systems, search feature, and data processing. Why do we use string methods? We use string methods to convert text to uppercase or lowercase, remove unnecessary spaces, find words or characters, replace all text with new text, format text for better readability. Without strings methods, working with text would be much more difficult. And the code explanation. This text welcome to Python programming. Uh, this line creates a string with extra space at the beginning at the end. And the text print text upper. Text upper converts all letters to uppercase. For example, welcome to Python programming. And text lower. Text lower this print text lower. Text lower converts all letters to lowercase. And the text print text title. This is capitalizes the first letter of every word. For example, welcome to Python programming. Text strip. This is text strips. Print text strip. Remove space from the beginning and the end of the string. This is useful when processing either input. And text replace Python Java. This is replace the word Python with Java. The original string does not change. And the print text find Python. Search for the word Python. It returns the index where the word starts. If the word is not found, it returns negative 1 len text. This print len text. The returns the total number of characters in the string, including spaces. And the program outputs listen string methods. Original text welcome to Python programming. Uppercase welcome to Python programming. And the lowercase welcome to Python programming. Title case is same. Remote spice welcome to Python programming. Replies word welcome to Java programming. Find word 30 string length 33. End of the lesson. Next lesson if statements. The program first displays the original text, then it converts the text to uppercase, lowercase, and title case. Next it removes extra space using strip. After that it replaces the word Python with Java. Then it finds the position of the word Python. Finally displays the total number of characters in the string. And thank you for watching lesson 9. Today we learned some of the most useful string methods Python include upper, lower, title, strip. and replace and find. These methods are used in many real-world Python applications for processing and formatting text. In the text lesson, we will learn about if statement and start making occasion in our program. And see you in the text lesson. Happy coding. Thank you for watching.